Welcome back to Family Investment. I've been away for 1 week, enjoying holiday with my family in the great wild outdoors of Scotland in a nice motor van. Weather was a bit torrential, but it's alright. It's time to spend a week without the internet. And then coming back into civilization, and what did we get? So many great news. The crypto is booming. Tesla is going higher, and Snapchat not doing well, and now it's going to cascade to Facebook. But so much happening when I was missing out during that week. It's a good break. I enjoyed the good break, but coming back, I was overwhelmed. My head was cracking, trying to get myself in gear again. Opening session bell before the next week's earning. I really want to cover 3 base ground. What's happened last week, what will be happening next week, and also what I am watching for the week to come. And also what other activities is happening on Family Investments channel that I have prepared for. So let's start off with this week, the earnings. Tesla has done well. Are you surprised? I'm not surprised. Hitting a $900 billion, going close to 1 trillion. I believe they will break the 1 trillion just before or after Christmas and roaring up to 1,001, 1,002. Very bullish about Tesla, but this is what we expect. And 13.7 billion record revenue again. Other stocks like Netflix with their cracking Squid Games, it was out. I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Growth has gone down year on year to 16%. Still around about a $300 billion company sitting at 664. Are they going to grow massively? Something that we have to watch and learn. The next 2 disappointment is Snapchat, which have dropped drastically, blaming the iOS on Apple's privacy concerns. And also the next one is Intel, dropping around by 8% because they've missed the EPS and still declining. And good news is for AMD and Nvidia. When Intel drops, these 2 stocks will go up because we're grabbing market shares. So before I go into the next week, before I jump in, I really want to give a shout out to the sponsor of the video is eToro, where social media plus investing platform come together. It's not just about stocks, but also crypto that you can invest in with Shiba Inu, who's broke record all-time high. And if you like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Solana, they are the ones for you. Most intriguing one is to copy other traders, which could be potentially be a passive income for you, where you don't want to waste too much time trying to manage your portfolio, but copy these investors who actually has track record of 3 to 5 years, who betting the market in and out each and every year. So if eToro is the one for you, click on the link below, sign up. It's a great platform for beginners to use, and also the social media aspect, and really intuitive on your mobile phone. Okay, now let's go into next week. Let's roll over to next week. Next week, again, is all about the earnings, okay? Monday to Friday, too many earnings. Is going to be a really busy week ahead for this opening bell. But before we crack that, we have to look at the VIX. Okay, the VIX is what I watched. The VIX have floored at 15. Cruise control. Do I expect the VIX to bounce up for a surprise sell-off, or do I expect the VIX to go lower? So all I'm saying is don't expect a huge sell-off like you've seen 30 days ago on Evergrande incident. Don't expect a huge major dip, but also don't expect a huge rise, because remember, we are at Q3. We're not going to Q4 where the record earnings are. If it goes too high, then I think taking profit would be wise. But I think it should be nicely cruising, nicely gaining, but not expecting huge jump. So what am I expecting in Monday to Friday? There are a couple of stocks that I highlighted. So Monday, I'm watching on Facebook. Going to the earnings, it might look like Facebook might be going bearish, but depending on what new products and the collaboration, Coinbase may be the one that to help them turn around for future products, because we want to see the new growth story for Facebook. It's something we have to watch out. So the other one on Tuesday is a very busy day. AMD, I'm expecting to break all-time high, going even higher, but not too long. They'll come back down and resuscitate to around about the 115 to 120 zone, even if they go to 130. Don't do anything, don't buy anymore, because you should be buying about a couple of weeks ago when it was hovering under 110. So now just enjoy the ride. Microsoft hitting all-time high, going close past the $300 mark. We just have to see what Microsoft have to do with their cash flow. Who are they buying? Are they buying back shares? That's what we need to see for Microsoft. And the other one that I should expect them to retest all-time high again is Twitter on Tuesday. Twitter last all-time high was around about $80. And they're hovering about 64. If I had more cash, I'll place a bet on Twitter, try to retest the all-time high and may break further. Despite the fact that Snap and Facebook on the iOS privacy concerns, but I think Twitter is a whole different platform. It's being used more and more regularly for people like me and many other investors worldwide because it's the first place to get any rumors, any news, any information for anybody. Wednesday will be Twilio, who is really might potentially be testing 375 to 400 and then upward, who is trying to break away if they do very well and potentially hit 80, or if they don't exceed expectation, they may drop back down to 50. That's my forecast, my humble opinion again. And on Thursday, we've got two huge e-commerce giants, which is Amazon and Shopify. Amazon looks like they're still going sideways for sideways track, and Shopify, again, still very, very overvalued. But again, these two stocks have made a lot of people millionaires, and it's something that we have to watch out for to see how the e-commerce space are playing out for people spending their money, especially in times like on high inflation. Then comes on Friday, we get dirty oil companies producing their record-breaking results because oil has basically hit over $80. And then now comes to the third segment, is the other parts that really got me excited is BITO ETF for Bitcoin was out when I was away, and that's what caused the cryptocurrency bull run to fly to the moon. And man, literally I've never seen so much growth on my crypto portfolio, and it just gave me a smile on my face. And the other one crypto play as well is Coinbase, rocking up to $300 floor again. The collaboration with Facebook and also NFT marketplace, that may be pushing them high with new products going on. So Coinbase is something that I want to forecast, but not until I see the earnings beginning of November. For now, Coinbase, again, I will stand at the point where anything under 300, close to 250 is a great buy. But I think we may already not see this flow again. They may be rocking even higher. Again, among all my top stocks, Coinbase is still my most bullish one, undervalued compared to the last AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, dark trace. I think Coinbase is a great one to buy, but you should have bought it last month. So other announcement of what's going to be happening this week, plenty. First, I want to speak about Livespot. There'll be two key Livespot sessions that I'll be chatting. The one on Tuesday, I'll be talking purely parachain auction. Parachain on the Polkadot and why I am bullish, seeing them going to about $100 per share on Polkadot, and what this parachain may help you 2 to 3x your potential holdings. And talking about Tuesday, only for members, click the link below if you want more details. The one that really excites folks as well is the one on live session on Thursday, which is open for everybody. As long as you subscribe to my Livespot session, you get to go in because we get a very important VIP guest, Marco Wang, on the show again to showcase what he knows, and we will both be chatting about the Terra Luna and be a full Q&A session for everybody who wants to know more. So do join me on Livespot on Thursday. It's going to be a Singapore time, link below for more details so you can chat to me and Marco about what we think on Terra Luna. It's going to be an exciting week, so hopefully all of you enjoy the ride, enjoy the bull run despite it's crypto or despite stocks. All we can do is just cruise control, keep invested, stay invested. But for now, opening bell, this is the extension, and I hope you enjoyed this segment. Like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.